Hello and welcome to tutorial video number 1 for Walk for Parkinson's. Today we will be going over how to register as an individual and as a team. To get started, head over to your web browser. In the search bar at the top, type in www.walk4pd.ca. On the main event page, you will find some general information about this year's event. Because of the unique circumstances of this year's walk, you can also find a page dedicated to COVID safety. Now, let's check out how to register. From here, you will click on the button that says Walk Locations. I'm from London, so I'll select London and District. Now that we are on the page for London and District, you will find information about the in-person location, the funds raised, and the leaderboard for our top walkers. Returning to the top of the page, we can also search for a specific walker should you want to donate to them or their team. To get started with our own walk, we will click Individual Registration. From here, you will either have to log in with existing credentials or join as a new participant. I participated in the walk last year, so I'll use my existing login. The process to register for the event is the same even if you already have an account. The only difference is that the account details will need to be filled in if you're a new participant. If you're a new participant, take a moment and fill in the personal information. When you're done, hit Next Step. This will bring you to the waiver page. Please take a moment to read this over. Once you're done, click the box that says I agree with the terms and conditions above, and then hit Next Step. This will bring you to the registration summary page. If all of your information is correct, hit Complete Registration. This last page is a confirmation of your registration. You should also receive a confirmation email once you complete your registration. From here, you will be given access to the Participant Center, where you can start fundraising. This will be covered in tutorial video number 2. Now let's go back to see how we would join or form a team. Disclaimer, you cannot join a team if you have already registered as an individual. If you're interested or intend to form or join a team, reach out to your team members ahead of time. The first person will click Form a Team, and the other team members will then click Join a Team. The person who forms the team will be asked to create a team name, and the people who join that team after will need to search for that team name. From there, the registration process is identical to the individual registration process that we just covered. And that's how to register. We hope this video helped. If you have any further questions, please feel free to reach out. Our contact information can be found on your regional walk page. Thank you and happy walking.